Hello.
Chris's first swarm. Watch that gate, don't swing over and hit them. That's it. This vibration they don't like.
Have that Nick, straight in the office.
What's the red flashing? It's got red flashing left hand, right, top right hand corner.
Yeah, that means it's recording.
It's just that slowly as it goes.
What sort of bees are these, Jeff?
Honeybees.
Honeybees.
And you've got to slowly brush them off into the hive. Slowly brush them off, put them down, lay them down, that's it.
Literally brushing, yeah?
So the queen drops down in the box. That's it, they'll all fall off inside. Go on. That's it, take it off the top, that's it. Off the top of the branch first. Go along. Don't try and hurt them.
Don't make them angry.
You could actually maybe just tap it so it all falls off. The whole lot falls off.
They get angry.
Go on. Go on, just tap it so they all fall off. No, they won't, will they? Slowly just... No, I wouldn't do that, just wipe them off. Just wipe them off the wood. Scrape them like that. Pull the wood across, just so it, that's it, so they all fall off. That's it, just keep on doing that slowly. Go on. Go on. Go on. Just put it whole, that's it. Go on. Keep going. Just go straight through and just push them off. Push them off the branch. Go on. That's it. Go on, keep going. Try and push the hive and not the branch. Don't scrape across the branch on the that's it. Go on. Go on. Right the way along. Go on.
Queen must still be hanging on. They're falling now.
Clear that off. Look, get that out of the way. That's it. That cone. Right. Don't hurt them. Don't try and hurt. That's it. Just pull it to you. Pull the branch to you and just get that out of the way. Pull it to you and just so it drops down. The queen drops down in. twist it round, that's it, twist it round, that's it. Twist it round, that's it, twist it round, that's it. And it might, the queen might be on the end there somewhere. It's on the end there, she's on the end probably. That's it. Right, she's got to be off now.
Not on there.
Alright, just put the branch on the floor, and then put the lid on.
Just making sure I can't see it.
Right. No, she's probably on the... Put it on the floor. Put that on the floor, or there, yeah. And put the lid on it. Put the combs back in, slowly. Don't hurt them. That's it.
I wanted to see the queen.
That's it, they're going in the entrance anyway. Slowly, yeah. Slowly does it. And put the top back on.
Where's the lid?
Now put the top on.
Where's the lid, man?
There. Hold it there.
Chester's forgot to actually bring the lid to the beehive, which is a bit frustrating.
That one first.
That goes on top first.
Yeah, in that. Send me the other one. No, slide it across. Yeah, so you don't. So you like push them and slide them off at the same time. I don't know whether that's the lid, but that's all I can find over there. That's it. Slowly. Look, get that leaf. Has it got a bud here? Look.
The leaf under it.
It might be the lid, I don't know. I'll go and have a look. Here. Look, you're not putting it straight. Look, you've moved it.
The lid?
That box. No, it's not.
Oh, there.
No. There, look, it's sticking out.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. I'll turn it off now. Go and get the proper lid over there.